about to dive into a project that could be the next biggest thing in crypto, okay? I truly believe that if you wish you got it on Bitcoin when it was like 10 cents a coin, okay, we know now it's about 26,000. This could be one of them. We're in the pre-sale section. It's probably going to follow the trajectory of all the other BTC projects that have came out. Guys, let's have a look and let me know if you're going to get involved. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only, so let's get it. So here we go, guys, at BTC Minetrix.com. Guys, this is an incredible project. Now, it mines Bitcoin so that you don't have to. You can buy and stake the BTC MTX tokens and join the safe and secure Bitcoin cloud mining platform. I want to be very clear. This video right now is so important in the timing because the pre-sale is on, okay? Price increase is going to happen again in 2 days and 23 hours, so make sure you are buying in before the increase, okay? If you need to stop this video and go and do that right now, please do it. Connect your wallet, super, super easy, and buy it whether you're doing ETH, USDT, or card, okay? So, what exactly is it, guys? This is a tokenized cloud mining platform that allows everyday people to mine Bitcoin. It's a decentralized way where tokenizing cloud mining to ensure a secure and transparent experience. They're actually solving a huge, huge problem by removing the risk of a third-party cloud mining scam and putting the control into the hands of token holders. Simply staking this can actually earn you credits and use these to mine BTC. They believe that this is the solution. Bitcoin Minetrix is the solution, okay? A reliable cloud mining platform everyday crypto users can use. Not just me, not just anybody that's on YouTube talking about crypto. I'm talking about everyday crypto users, okay? So the users of Minetrix need only Ethereum compatible wallets such as MetaMask to purchase the stake of these tokens, making things very, very simple, okay? Staking this actually earns non-tradable ERC20 tokens, and the credits must be burned in exchange for BTC cloud power mining. Now, what reasons do we actually have to cloud mine BTC? Number one, ease of entry. Cost efficiency, space and noise, and the no resale worries are the reasons that this is going to be one of the biggest projects out there. The cost of entry is so low, the pre-sale no minimum buy, okay? Traditional, you've got high and large minimum amounts. Safety and security, we touch on that. We decentralize user-owner tradable tokens instead of cash deposited required. Now, the user-controlled easy withdraw and sell for the risk factors, no refunds, long-term commitments is what you usually get. We've conquered that. Simplicity is what you get when you can buy with ETH, BNB, USDT, cards, and stake it, okay? Instead of complicated contracts. And again, lock-in periods with fixed time frames, we now have variable depending on staking. Guys, these are all seriously easy reasons why you should be getting involved. So just purchase the token using whatever it is you want to do, your bank card, whatever, okay? The credits will be burned to increase the Bitcoin mining power. You can simply get involved with earning BTC, staking to mine, or just holding the tokens for when this does shoot up. Now, this is a quick view of what the dashboard looks like. You can have a little look at this. Your token balance will be there if you want to burn, stake, and withdraw. Months of staking so you can work out exactly how much mining power you bought. Your hash power over here, okay, it looks super, super clean, and it's simple buy now buttons, guys. This is exactly what you want to do. They do have an incredible $30,000 mine drop on right now, okay? It's a competition. Simply get in here, follow their website, follow them on Twitter, which we will check out in just a second, and you could be entered into that. Their roadmap is incredible, okay? They're pre-sale right now. They're going into the development stage next, through to the launch stage, okay, and then mass adoption. And their tokenomics, just to quickly touch on, we have the Bitcoin mining at 42.5%, the marketing at 35%, community at 15%, and the allocation for the staking is at 7.5%. So let me just quickly go to their Twitter before we finish this off. Their Twitter, guys, is looking nice, okay? They put a lot of stuff on there to try and intrigue you in. So over 1.2 million raised with this project, okay? They'll keep putting stuff in to let you know how they're getting on, who they're connecting with. Look at this. Not long ago, guys, this was September 29th. Not long ago, it was only 200K raised. We're now at 1.2 million. You see the trajectory of this is crazy. And that's because the pre-sale has begun. So get in there before the price increases. There you go, guys. Let me know how you got on. And if you're going to get this project, I'm so grateful that you took your time to watch this video. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified about the next video. And I'll see you next time.